Ki Pulit kila Pahara juri ka kat Liengsuin ha umroy hadin biki Sengbhalang kila turban ap Lada uwan hiar uhe ka kenhun yadamasi ujagat guru Shankar Acharya mentakastem. Nakaliang USP ke Ribhoy ujakpal sing danau ulayakran baki nong yalam ki Sengbhalang baki Pulit kinum sya ba unmi na ka kat Liengsuin yada uwan ru bat kin phalin no.
Then he will come.
He cannot come on the airport because his permission to land here has been denied. He cannot.
He is 100%
It is confirmed. His location presently is in Agartala. From this, his location is in Agartala. From Agartala, they have refused him to fly here. As per information, I don't want to mislead also. So, because airport people also, they have explicitly said he will not fly to Meghalaya. But from Agartala, he may fly back to Guwahati. His chartered flight is not coming. What if he comes by a normal flight? So we have also written to airport authorities. They are giving us passenger manifest. We will, even if he comes by normal flight, we will not allow. So we need your cooperation. It shouldn't be. Yeah, we are.